Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rafi Automation. I hope everyone is okay. Today again with a very wonderful video. In this video I'm going to discuss about shift register. So shift register is used in computers and programmable controllers. Shift register is used to shift data from left to right or right to left. From both sides you can shift the data. So let's take it on the screen. As you can see on the screen, this is one shift register which is having three terminals. One is in terminal, will be used to read the data, and trigger terminal will be used to shift the data, which is given on in terminal, and dir direction terminal will be used to reverse the direction from left to right or right to left. So uh, let's take the inputs and outputs. I will take three inputs because the shift register needs three inputs because this one is having three terminals. So let's do the wiring. Connect I1 to IN, and trigger terminal is connected to I2, and I3 is connected to dir, which will be used to reverse the direction. So our I1 will be shifted, and the I2 will be used to shift the I1, and I3 will be used to reverse the direction of bit. So let's take we will program the shift register. We are going to shift on 5 terminals. One bit we will shift on 5 terminals on 5 outputs. So let's take the 5 output. I will show you in simulation how shift register shift the bits. So I took 5 inputs. So now I will take the shift register bit. This bit will be connected to the output. This will receive a bit from the shift register, and through the shift register bit, a bit will be transferred to the output. So output will be connected to the shift register bit. So let's do the connection. Connect your outputs to the shift register bit. For each output we are having one shift register bit, and let's go to the simulation now. So in simulation I will show you when you give signal on I1, then you give signal on the trigger terminal, so the data from the IN terminal will be shifted to Q1. If there is no bit on I3, if I3 is not energized, the direction will be from Q1 to Q5. If you energize I3, the direction will be reversed from Q5 to Q1. So in both direction we can shift the bit. Okay, let's see the simulation. Okay, I will if you energize only I2, you cannot do anything. You cannot shift the data. So you must give data on IN so you can shift the data. Okay, let's go to the simulation. This is the simulation screen. As you can see here, down I1, I2, I3, and these are the output. You can see these lights. These are my output. If Q1 is energized, you can see the light will be on. Okay, let's do Now I1 has been activated. When I give pulse on trigger terminal, so this data from I1 will be transferred to Q1 because the direction is from Q1 to Q5. So now let's transfer the data of I1. When I activate trigger terminal, this data will be shifted to Q1. Okay, now as you can see, uh, when I pressed I2, the data has been transferred to Q1. Now this Q1, as you can see, there is no any input on I1, so I'm going to shift this Q1 to Q5. Okay, let's see. Now you have to press again, release I2, and again activate the I2, activate the trigger terminal, means give a next pulse, so Q1 will be transferred or Q1 will be shifted to Q2. So this is how the shift register is shifting bits from one terminal to another or from one bit to another. Okay, now you can see when I2 received the next bit, so the Q1 is transferred to Q2. Let's see, in the next pulse the Q2 will be transferred to Q3. Okay, you can see when I energized again, in the next pulse the bit has been transferred from Q2 to Q3, and in the next will be transferred to Q3 to Q4. Okay, let's queue the next. As you can see, a bit has been transferred from Q3 to Q4. In the next pulse it has been transferred to Q5. So let's see, now we will reverse the direction by activating I3, and will give pulse on I2. So now you will see it will go reverse from Q5 to Q4. Okay, as you can see, now we shifted from Q5 to Q4, and with the next signal we shifted from Q4 to Q3, and so on. As you can see now with the next pulse from Q3 to Q2, and now we will move it to Q1. So now we are in Q1, so release again, and you can see again we can shift it to the same bit to the Q2, and now it's in Q3, and with the next pulse Q4, and with the next pulse Q5. So this is how shift register is working. There are many types of shift register, SIPO, PISO. There are many type, serial in and serial out, serial in parallel out, parallel in parallel out. These are the types of shift register. So in the next video I will discuss more about shift register, so please keep watching my videos. I hope you will enjoy this video, and you have understood now shift register. You can try the practical. So as you can see, let's give the next pulse. Come back, I will show you the double, how we shift the double bits. Okay, now give the next bit. So now we are having now we are having two bits, release I1. Now we have two bits. We will press I2, so this will be shifted. The bit on Q1 will be shifted to Q2, and Q2 will be shifted to Q3. Okay, let's try it. As you can see now, Q1 has been transferred to Q2, and Q2 has been transferred to Q3. Now we are moving two bits. Okay, for the next, now you can see these two bits are coming down. Okay, now we are in Q5. So let's reverse these two bits. As you can see now, it's going reverse together. So this is how you can move the bits with shift register. Same bits you can transfer on other terminals. So thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to like my video and share with your friends. I will meet you in the next video.